Subscribe our YouTube channel Nayan Study Point and press the bell icon to know the all notification of our videos. And to join our WhatsApp group, open the comment section. There's a link. Click on. What's up, guys? Welcome in my first English video. I hope you all safe from the coronavirus. Today, I will teach you about sentences and the kinds of sentences. First of all, what is sentence? A combination of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Let's look few examples. Boys are going to school. He went home yesterday. The combination of words is in complete sense. So they are known as sentences. Let's move forward to phrase. A combination of words that make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. The examples of this is in the morning, after an hour. These are the examples of phrase. Kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. Assertive sentences. Assertive sentences can be of three kinds: affirmative, negative, emphatic. Second is interrogative sentences. Third is imperative sentences. And the fourth is exclamatory sentences. Our first, our first part is assertive sentences. These sentences state a fact, describe things, or report events. They are also called statements. All assertive sentences can be of three types: affirmative, negative, emphatic. First of all, affirmative. Mohan write a letter. The affirmative sentence is a simple sentence that Mohan wrote a letter. It is a simple past sentence, simple past tense, as well as a simple sentence. And next is negative sentences. Mohan did not write a letter. These sentences are called negative because we put not in these sentences. Emphatic sentences. Mohan did write a letter. In these sentences, do, did, does, are you, inquire about something are called interrogative sentences. Such sentences take a question mark at their end. Example is, what is your father? Why are the boys making noise? In this, we have to ask the questions. Why are the boys making the noise? Imperative sentences. Sentences which express some commands, requests, advice, etc. are called imperative sentences. The subject you is ordinary not used in such sentences. Bring a glass of water, please. In this sentence, subject is not used. In this sentence, somebody requests to give him the glass of water. So it is an imperative sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Sentences which express some sudden feeling, such as pleasure, anger, or surprise about something which has been said or done, are called exclamatory sentences. Such sentences or expressions take a mark of exclamation at their end. The example is, hooray, we have won match. In this, We have won. This is the happiness that we expresses. Hooray is the happiness of our expression of our feelings that we express. So, every sentence has two parts. First of all, subject part and the predicate part. That part of sentence which denotes the person or thing about which something is said is called the subject of the sentence. Example, Hari sings a song. In this, Hari is the subject. Predicate, that part of sentence which tells something about the person or thing denoted by the subject is called the predicate. That is, for example, the boys are playing a match. The boys are subject and are playing a match is predicate. Are playing a match tells about the boys. So this is called predicate. In this video, we have learned that what is sentence? A combination of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. What is phrase? A combination of words that make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. What are the kinds of sentences? There are four kinds of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Assertive sentences are the simple sentences. Assertive sentences has three types: affirmative, negative, emphatic. Interrogative is the question sentences. Imperative sentences is command, request, advice, etc. And exclamatory sentences express our feelings. What is subject and predicate? Subject, the part of sentence which denote the person or thing about some which something is said is called the subject of the sentence. And predicate, that part of sentence which tells something about the person or thing denoted by the subject is called the predicate. I wish you all understand this and enjoy my video. So please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.